Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I will present the result of group discussion. Before start the discussion, I will introduce my group. The first is Abdul Halim. Second, Dilinda Korinesa. The third, Ovi Haryani. And finally, Rafki Aditya Fitra. Let the first material, read by Ovi Haryani, to Ovi begin.
Definition of past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is a tense in English that is used to express activities that are taking place in the past or events that are happening in the past. Past continuous show that continuous action or event have occurred previously continuously. The past continuous tense is a tense form used to express that an action is taking place for a certain time in the past. This form indicates that the action for during and might continue after time or their action that occurred in the past. An example of the continuous tense. Example number 1, he is watching television. The example shows that the of continuously happening in the past. A verb in the past is continuously tense when in the first form with ing at the end that or not before. Example number 2, the boy is standing at the bus stop. The above example is also continuous past tense. Note that the first standing verb form is used in with ing and comes before, which implies that the continuous moment of action is the of the past.
Thank you for Ovi. For the next material, will be read by Julinda Korinesa. To Julinda, begin.
Okay, I will read the next material. Present continuous function in English. The main function of this one tense is to provide an overview or show events that are currently happening. Can also indicate something that is likely to happen. Here are some functions of using present continuous. 1. Declare an ongoing event. This tense is included in the category the present, where an event that is happening can be expressed using this one tense. Example, he is playing the game now. He's playing a game right now. Number 2, declare an event and action that has a temporary nature. Basic being used to show events that are happening now. This tense is also used to indicate a temporary event. Example, Jeannie is cooking now, but she will wash the pan soon. Jeannie is cooking right now, but he will wash the pan soon. Number 3, state an event that will soon be carried out. Present continuous tense are also used to convey sentence that will be worked on immediately, so that it can be interpreted as an event that will come. However, that time must be included in the sentence. Example, Rose is leaving for Australia tomorrow. Rose is leaving for Australia tomorrow. Number 4, state an ongoing event but not done when delivering it. These tenses are also used to convey a job or an action that is done. However, the work or action was not being carried out when delivering it. Example: I am studying Korean literature at the State University of Seoul now. I am studying Korean literature at Seoul University right now. Number 5, declare an event as a form of immediate future in order to pay attention. This one function is almost the same as the future category. However, the function of this tense is more for notification so that many people notice. The event present will also occur. Example: the student is going to do an exam. Students will be taking exams now. Student will be taking exams soon. Number 6, declare changing event or events. This one tense function is also used to express something changing. Sometimes there are change in condition suddenly, so the way to convey it use these tenses. Example: the price of smartphone is increasing very fast. Smartphone prices are increasing rapidly. Characteristic of present continuous tense. Number 1, using the ing or verb ing from verb. Example: playing, watching, doing, singing, cooking, and dancing, and others. When converted into an interrogative sentence, to be consists of am, is, are. If using a negative interrogative sentence, only the nots are added after to be. Example: are not we singing BTS song? That's all from me. Return it to the moderator.
Thank you for Jelinda. For the last material will be read by Abdul Halim. To Halim, begin. Mohon maaf, Lim. Mod,
I thank the moderator who has given me the opportunity to explain the material about formula of past continuous tense. Type of sentence: positive. Formula of past continuous tense: subject plus be, as, was, or were plus present participle, as verb ing plus object. Example of sentence: they were buying Japanese comic books. He was coming to my house. Type of sentence: negative. Formula of past continuous tense: subject plus be, as, was, or were plus not plus present participle, as verb ing plus object. Example of sentence: they were not buying Japanese comic book. He was not coming to my house. Type of sentence: interrogative. Formula of past continuous tense: be, as, was, or were, plus subject, plus present participle, as verb ing, plus object. Example of sentence. Were they buying Japanese comic books? Was he coming to my house? Example past continuous tense. Number 1. He was sleeping when I came. Number 2. He was not sleeping when I came. Number 3. Was he sleeping when I came? Number 4. I was working all night yesterday. Number 5. I was not working all night yesterday. Number 6. Were you working all night yesterday? So I returned the material from me to the moderator.
Thank you for Abdul Halim. That's all the result of group presentation. Thank you for attention. I end with Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.